People often believe that growing vegetables need land, big gardens, and a lot of space. But this story begins in a home where space is limited and dreams are not. All I had was a small corner, some sunlight, and a simple plastic crate. And that was enough. In this plastic crate, winter vegetables began their journey. Red spinach, brinjals, coriander, and also other vegetables. Nothing more needed to be said. Each name here carries effort, patience, and belief. No land, no garden, no special setup. Just a care and a decision to start. Every day, this small space reminds me that food doesn't ask for luxury, it asks for care. If you're watching this from a flat, from a rented room, or from a home without soil, remember these names because they grew here. But this journey didn't stop with vegetables. This is star fruit, grown in the same way in the same kind of plastic crate. When it was planted, there was no guarantee, only hope. Days passed, season changed, and still it stayed. Slowly it grew, quietly it proved a point. Star fruit doesn't need a garden to become a tree. It needs time, care, and trust. Every fruit that grows here feels like a reminder. Limitations are often imagined. If a tree can grow in a crate, then your dreams don't need permission either. So, to everyone who says, I don't have space, this is your answer. You don't need land, you don't need perfection, you just need a beginning. Because even a plastic crate can grow something remarkable. If this small crate can grow food, so can your small space grow dreams. Start where you are. Use what you have. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. And I will see you in the next video.